Antony here at the Shoe Healer in Doncaster. We've just been having a search around, seeing what we can find in yellow. My wife's been on the phone to all the suppliers and manufacturers to see if we can get hold of something for you in yellow. We really would like to be able to look after you. Down in the cellar we have this colour here, which is a sort of greeny yellow colour, a victory soul it's called, but it is a greeny sort of yellow colour. I've just put it up against a black boot just to show you the colour of it. And the other ones I've been able to find in the cellar are an old pair of day-night units. They're still lovely and flexible. They're not actually day-night units, they're some sort of, that's that colour there, these here, but these we don't think we have the heels for these, the heel stacks. So that if that was a colour that you wanted up against a black boot, we would have to put you that sole on with the heel stack and a black heel on there if it's going on a black shoe or a brown shoe, whichever. But this is the greeny. I mean, if you just saw that colour, you might say that's fine, but oh, that's your better colour. Anyway, have a look, and I'll send you this message, and let me know if any of that is any good. Anne's been on to all the manufacturers and suppliers, and nobody is able to help us, I'm afraid. Okay, there you go. So that's the boot stripped down, cork done, the top cleaned up on the welt, ready for the stitching, and then ready for the units going on. And then we'll have a look at the uppers, and then have a look at the eyelets. We're on them. So we have the yellow triggers, yellow sole triggers, and we've got the units on, and we've just got to nail those on from the inside. We've got the back liners up, we're waiting for the pull tabs. That's all we're waiting for now. We've got the heels waiting to go on. Unfortunately, all of these are old sole and heel units from in the cellar, so there's a few little marks on them, but the edges will look beautiful. We've got the yellow stitching in, polished up, they'll look superb. Don't be scratching your balls in the background because I'm just recording. got 8 in there. I'll make sure one of them gets 8 and then the balance.
This is a lucky day.
Come on, tabs. I'm going to tabs in them. Just... These are going to wear well when you're scouring. Oh, right, I'll just go to run the rough on it. So the boots are there. This is the sock liners, and we've taken off, machined off the old ones. We've got the new ones to go on, and then they'll get bonded back into the shoes with the new soft. So here's a trick of boots. We've tightened up all the eyelets that were loose. We've put the yellow sole on there with the yellow stitching. We put back linings in, and we're just waiting for the pull tabs to arrive. The second they're here, we'll stitch them on and the boots will be coming out. If for any reason we don't get the pull tabs in the next day or so, we will just put black ones in and send them out, and at some point they'll have to come back to us to have the pull tabs changed. Okay, that's the boot there with the yellow sole on, and it's the best we can do for your yellow sole unit. I think they're the only yellow sole units in the country. If anybody else has any yellow sole units that watches this video, let us know, because we would like to get hold of them. Okay, that's the boots there with the yellow stitching in, and turned out beautiful.